Hi there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Batkuhu. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's not only beneficial for our planet, but also for making your travel experiences more sustainable and eco-friendly. We'll be discussing eco-friendly packing and travel gear. Traveling sustainably has never been more critical. From reducing waste to minimizing our carbon footprint, every small step counts. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic eco-friendly travel gear options that will help you make responsible choices while exploring the world. Let's start with the most crucial aspect of travel, your luggage. Traditional suitcases and bags are often made from materials that harm the environment. But fear not, eco-friendly alternatives are here. First up, we have sustainable luggage made from recycled materials, such as plastic bottles and reclaimed textiles. These bags are not only stylish but also incredibly durable. Another excellent option for eco-conscious travelers is a high-quality backpack made from sustainable materials. Look for brands that use recycled or organic fabrics. Now, let's move on to packing essentials that can help you reduce waste while traveling. Packing cubes made from sustainable materials help you organize your belongings efficiently. Plus, they eliminate the need for single-use plastic bags. Don't forget your reusable water bottle. Opt for stainless steel or glass bottles to stay hydrated without contributing to plastic waste. Consider packing reusable cutlery and food containers to avoid disposable plastic utensils and takeout containers. Sustainable clothing is an essential part of eco-friendly travel gear. Let's explore some options. Look for clothing brands that prioritize sustainability, like those using organic cotton, hemp, or recycled materials. These clothes are not only eco-friendly but also comfortable and stylish. Investing in versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched reduces the need to pack multiple outfits, saving space and resources. Finally, let's talk about eco-friendly toiletries. Replace single-use plastic toiletry bottles with solid or refillable options. Brands now offer shampoo bars, solid soap, and toothpaste tablets that are perfect for travel. Biodegradable and natural toiletries are another great choice. They minimize the impact on the environment, especially when you're exploring nature. Traveling the world is a wonderful experience, and it's even better when you do it with a conscience. By investing in eco-friendly packing and travel gear, you not only reduce your environmental footprint, but also set an example for others. So, the next time you embark on an adventure, remember to pack smart and sustainably. Let's make the world a better place, one journey at a time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe to Batkuhu for more eco-friendly travel tips and inspiring content.